Hi, this is Barbara from cucinadibarbara.com. Today, in partnership with Belverde, I'm going to present you one of my favorite dishes, the lasagna with basil pesto. To prepare a recipe for 4 people, we will need a pack of instant lasagne del Verde, a jar of basil pesto, 100 grams of boiled green beans, and for the white sauce or bechamel we will need a pint of milk, 50 grams of flour, 50 grams of olive oil, a pinch of salt, grated nutmeg and some pine nuts. Now that we have got everything ready, it's time to make the bechamel.
In order to do so, we need to make the roux. In a pot, add the oil and the flour on a medium heat and keep stirring until you get a dense consistency. Now that it's nice and thick, add some hot milk, little by little. We have got a nice and creamy bechamel, so we add a pinch of salt and then we grate some nutmeg on top. I usually add the pesto directly to the bechamel, so I get a perfectly mixed cream to put on top of my lasagne, a nice stir, and that's it.
Okay, now the great thing about this lasagna del Verde, is that they don't need to be pre-cooked.
So let's start by spreading a spoon of the sauce on the base of our oven dish, and then we take the lasagna sheets and we start to build our layers.
Now we put the sauce on the lasagne, a generous amount, and then some green beans, something like that. And for add some extra flavor, I suggest to put some grated Parmesan cheese on every layer. That's it.
Perfect. On the last layer I put a generous amount of sauce and then I add some pine nuts on top, which will get toasted in the oven. And then another generous amount of Parmesan cheese, about that. And let's go to bake at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Let's go!
Here we go, with this delicious lasagna straight out from the oven.
Smells so good! Let's taste it!
Delicious. You are gonna love it, I promise you. So, from Barbara and Pasta del Verde is everything for today. Enjoy your meal and see you soon. Bye!